Welcome to Ambati Math Class YouTube channel for school students. I am Ambati Shankar, School Assistant Mathematics at ZPHS Rudrangi, Rajanna Sirisilla District. Today we are going to discuss how to find remaining trigonometry ratios if we know one trigonometry ratio. Now let us take one example, that is, if sin A is equal to 12 by 13, then find cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A and cot A. So what is the solution for this one? In the part of the solution, we have to know what is the meaning of sin A. Meaning of sin A is, in a right angle triangle, ratio of opposite side of angle A and hypotenuse. That means sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So now we can take triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Take angle A. Why we have to take angle A? Given sin A. Instead of sin A, if given sin theta, you have to write theta where A is. In this right angle triangle ABC, first we have to find opposite side to angle A. So that is BC is the opposite side to angle A. So given that is 12. And what is hypotenuse? Opposite to 90 degrees, that is AC. So AC is a hypotenuse. So that is given, so 13. Now we have to find what is AB. To find the AB, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Here AB is one side, BC is one side, AC is one side. That's why AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So AB we don't know. Instead of BC, substitute 12, AC substitute 13. That is AB square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. We know that 12 square is equal to 12 into 12, 144. 13 square means 13 into 13, 169. That means AB square plus 144 is equal to 169. So 144 send right side. That means AB square is equal to 169 minus 144. 169 minus 144 is 25. That 25 we can write as 5 square. Both sides square has been cancelled. Then AB is equal to 5. So this is the we needed value AB. Then AB we have to write 5. We know all the sides in triangle ABC, then we can find cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. Then what is cos A? Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. In the right angle triangle, what is adjacent here? That is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So that's why cos A is equal to 5 by 13. Then tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That means 12 by 5. And cosec A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. That is 13 by 12. And sec A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. That is 13 by 5. Cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. That means 5 by 12. So like this we have to find all the trigonometric ratios when we know only one trigonometric ratio. Let us take one more example for well understanding. Given that 16 cot A is equal to 12, find the value of sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. So that is, what is our solution is, 16 cot A is equal to 12. 16 send right side. Cot A is equal to 12 by 16. In 4 table it will cancel. That is 3 by 4. Cot A is equal to 3 by 4. We know the meaning of the cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. In a right angle triangle ABC, take an angle A, adjacent side is AB 3 and opposite side BC is 4. Now we have to find AC, that means third side. To find the third side we have to use the formula Pythagoras theorem, that is side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Here AB is one side, BC is one side, AC is hypotenuse. In AB we have to substitute 3, BC is equal to 4. That means AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That is 3 square plus 4 square is equal to AC square. 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16 is equal to AC square. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, that is equal to AC square. 25 we can write as 5 square is equal to AC square. Both sides square has been cancelled, then 5 is equal to AC or AC is equal to 5. So this is the third side we need. In this right angle triangle ABC, we know all the sides. Now we can find sin A and cos A value. Then sin A is equal to 4 by 5. Why? Because sin A is nothing but the ratio of the opposite by hypotenuse. In this right angle triangle, opposite side is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Then what is cos A? Cos A is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Then sin A plus cos A is equal 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Here denominators are equal, that's why we can add the numerators, it makes 7 by 5. Then what is sin A minus cos A? That is 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Here is also denominators are equal, then we have to subtract the numerator, then it makes 1 by 5. Then sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A is equal 7 by 5 by 1 by 5. This 1 by 5 send into as numerator, then 7 by 5 into 5 by 1. 5 has been cancelled, the remaining is only 7. So that's why sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A is equal to 7. So by this way we have to find all the remaining trigonometric ratios if we know only one trigonometric ratio. Homework also giving here. After watching this video once or twice, so please complete these 3 problems, then only you can able to do remaining all problems. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please subscribe my channel and share this video and click on like button also.